bake is an easy bake. Easy bake is an easy bake.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I know this looks crazy different, but the sneaker room is under construction. As yesterday I sold a whole bunch of pairs of Jordan 1s.
What are you doing? What I should have done last time.
Very tough to do, man. Most of those was my babies. Not only did I sell Jordan 1s, I sold a lot of GR releases. Not only to make space, but I realized I would never get a chance to wear all those shoes that I'm reviewing for you guys. So I want to call my sneaker room now Grails only, as I'm only going to try to get sneakers that's Grails, but also have a meaning to me, whether they GRs or not. Today's video is about the latest 350 from Yeezy and Adidas, the CINDER. Y'all already know how I feel about all these semi-black colorways. Okay, reading the box, we have CINDER, 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 CINDER. I mean, in my opinion, a very clean shoe. I love how it's like a grayish black. We call it smoke black, smoke gray. Then got your little hits of brown there. Well, my thing is, and it's always been, why would we need this Yeezy when we already have this one here? That's always been my thing. And if you notice, as the YouTube channel is playing in the background, I haven't had many of black Yeezys. And this is the only one that stuck the test of time. My thing always been, why do I need this 350, that 350, 350
No.
350 with the sparkle, 350 with the extra brown hair, when this Yeezy black 350 does it all. But let's bring the CINDERs back in. Let's get this review going up close. So as you can see here, it may be a little brown. It's very hard to tell. That's why I got y'all close up to the camera. It looks gray somewhere, some places, and then it looks black some places. But nonetheless, it's a Yeezy 350, and it's strange as Kanye's been giving us lately. So starting from the back, the only thing you can tell is that is brown. That is for sure. So we'll say the other bottom of the Boost technology is either a blackish, grayish, or brown, which is super dope because you could play on the different lot of colors in the outfit. The bottom Boost is also that brown. Then when you come all the way to the bottom, bam. Got that yellow sign there. That reads, of course, Boost. Boom. There go your Boost technology, Boost technology, Boost technology. It's kind of very hard for me to review this shoe because the colorway is so crazy. Your inside sole reads Adidas, Yeezy. And of course you have your 3 reflective stripes on the back, which I always thought was super dope. And it's very not looked after. People really don't respect that there. That's super dope. Comes with your tags. You know, Adidas is probably the only brand that still does this. But it's classical and that's super dope. Again, you have this line here that all the 350 V2's been coming with lately. This one happens to not be as see-through as the latest ones that came out before it. As you can see my finger, but you can't see like the color of anything. So I'm figuring that has to be black or dark brown. But the colorway is definitely unique. Same color pull tab. It's hard to figure out the color. So black, brown, all those colors I gave you, I guess they're not there. box reads Cinder, 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 Cinder. Give you guys another 360 view of this. I mean, I see a whole bunch of colors in here, but the box says Cinder, Cinder, Cinder. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I mean, I think it's a pretty dope shoe. I'm not gonna lie. Very, very clean in hand. This is a very clean pair of Yeezys. I like that little difference there. I love the color that we can't tell what color it is. But again, in my opinion, a lot of Yeezy 350 black shoes don't make it in my arsenal because I own the originals. And whenever you own the original or something, it's kind of hard to go with different joints unless they don't even do this no more in the Yeezy, y'all. It's hard to go with different joints unless it's just a different colorway. So again, in the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about the Yeezy 350 Cinders. My thing is, if you could get it for retail or a little bit over retail and you really want it, you know I'm always telling y'all, man, get what you like, do what you do. But for me, I don't think these are gonna last long. As again, I told y'all, I'm cleaning out my whole sneaker room. I'm trying to do quality over quantity. So that'll be like that. But I also have the Yeezy Miss 380 review coming for y'all. It's either coming in a few hours or the next day, depending on the type of day I'm having, man. Thanks for checking in. Please subscribe. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Easy bake is a easy bake. Easy bake is a easy bake. Easy bake is a easy bake. Easy bake is a easy bake.